What's up, guys? I just got to the shop. I do have something I'm gonna be doing today, installing. I'm gonna be installing something. I'm going to be installing something that I have for this car that... Where did my keys at? I'm going to be installing something for the STI that I've been waiting, that my friend had given me. What's that, my boy? Let me grab the box. Oh shit, my bad. Let me grab the box. So I got something here in this box. Let me set this up right quick. Open the box. Honestly, I was looking at getting something for this, something different, but this is what I got. The little steering wheel suede cover. Those other stuff. So I was looking into getting like a sparkle steering wheel, but like how the STI is, how it is, it's basically, I mean, it's kind of too forward, like too back towards you, and plus you delete the airbag. So yeah, I'm gonna do that today. The only reason why I wanted this because I've seen other people have this same material or the same thing on their steering wheel, which is pretty cool because, like, I don't know if you know, but like whenever they get like the steering wheel, like the sparkle steering wheel, you have to get the adapter. You don't have the airbag on there for the blinkers. There you go. It doesn't stay, so that's why I'm getting. I mean, that's why I just want to keep it like that. And plus, my steering wheel is pretty clean, so. So I'm going to be installing this bajigger, which is going to be pretty sick. Big difference, because I mean my steering wheel is pretty clean. It's just I don't want the material to be getting messed up on it. I'd rather have this getting messed up than the steering wheel itself, because it gets pretty dirty with all the gunk that you always have on there. Because I cleaned on it ever since I detailed my car. I mean, there's not that much dirt or like the build-up grime that's on like the stitching. So I'm gonna be doing that today. So right now I'm gonna be taking out the steering wheel, and then I'm gonna do it inside because I know you can do it on the car, but I just don't want to because it's hot. It's really hot here in Texas, which I don't want to. Here it is, guys. So I got the steering wheel out. Currently I am cleaning the insides. You can see how dirty it is. So I'm gonna be cleaning this real quick. I got my little brush and my interior cleaner. So I'm just gonna clean this, like the insides, so that whenever I have to put like the 3M tape on it, because I know this kit does come with like a 3M tape, so it has something to grip onto. So I'm gonna finish cleaning it up, and I will start getting the installed. Whoa. So here I have the steering wheel all prepped up with the tape. I'm starting to take off the top end and then work my way down to the side because I have a lot of it. It's all over the place so that it can keep this material in place. So I am slowly trying to take it off, but it's really a pain. Some parts, stick it back. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. After this is the sewing part. What is up, guys? It is now the next day. I put the steering wheel on. Yeah, I put the steering wheel on. It's the morning for the car meet. Well, the car meet, the cruise. But honestly, this thing, I'm never doing this ever again. I am never doing a steering wheel thing again. Because this thing was painful. Yeah, I mean, this thing looks really nice. Like, look at this. Oh my goodness gracious. So, what I was talking about, the stitching kept freaking breaking. Or, well, no. It kept snapping right here. Well, it didn't keep snapping, but it just, on this top end part, since it was like so freaking stiff, it kept snapping. Like these two areas were freaking good. Like these two. But this long one took forever. I hope the airbag goes. But yeah, I mean, it feels so smooth. Oh my god, this thing. I mean, my horn still works. I don't want to honk it because it's like 7 o'clock in the morning. But yeah, this thing, I love it. You should get one. It adds like an extra girth. Pause. But yeah. I'm about to go to the shop. We're gonna go do a cruise. And then basically all around like the northern part of San Antonio. And then go to New Braunfels. And then that's where we'll break it off. So I'm gonna go head over there, meet up with the homies. I need a Red Bull. I need some gas. And then, yeah, windows down, cruising. See you in a bit. Just finished putting gas. Got me some snackles. But my car is dirty. Jeez. Oh, shit. Hold up, give me a second. But yeah, I put up exactly at $42. Yeah. I'm so tired. But the steering wheel though, it's pretty sick. Sheesh. Just made it to the shop. We're about to roll out because Tristan just got here and Destiny, so we're gonna go cruise with all these other homies. It's gonna be a good day. What's up, guys? This is the lineup. Some cars still behind us because this guy over here, that guy stalled out. So everybody just like freaking is all separated. So we're here waiting for the others to come by. While we're waiting for them, we're just gonna be chilling here for a little bit. Just got done with the meet. Oh, with the cruise with the homies. Yeah, it was fun. We had like a bunch of like scenic like routes. Honestly, we were going through like the riverside, and then we went to up in the canyons by the Canyon Lake. Dude, it was freaking nice. But yeah, I just got home. There's like two groups that split up. Some people were gonna go eat. Some people were gonna come back here to San Antonio. So I ended up following everybody from the shop because we all left early, and then we took a picture at the up there in the canyons, and then yeah, we all just split. A bunch of people don't know how to drive in fucking Texas, so it's like annoying. So I'm tired. We left at what 8:30. Right now it's currently like 1:12. So it was a good day. I'm gonna eat something a little small, and then I'm gonna go out with one of my friends. We're gonna go get something to eat. We'll get some Korean barbecue, and then yeah, we're just gonna go hang out, stay out of the sun because right now it's hot. It says it was like 95 degrees, but it's not. I don't feel like it. But if I do keep this video, I mean, you'll probably see the end, I guess the rest. But if not, I might end it here. So glad. Thank you for guys for hanging out today. I did do a little install on the steering wheel, which I am pretty happy about it. It does feel good. So I'll include that at the beginning, and then that's what I'll include today at the cruise. So appreciate you guys for hanging out. You guys, thank you for supporting. Please like, comment, and subscribe. This is only the beginning. Tomorrow I will possibly make an introduction video for this car and myself. So thank you guys for hanging out. You guys are the best. I'll see you soon.